and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. This is Akshita Mehta. Here are some of the news that made the headlines today. Israel Defense Forces said it had delivered 300 liters of fuel to Gaza's Al-Shifa hospital for urgent medical purposes. However, on social media platform X, they mentioned that Hamas forbade the hospital from taking it. On the other hand, Hamas denied refusing the hospital to take the fuel. Earlier, the Al-Shifa hospital had stopped functioning due to a shortage of fuel. The Al-Quds hospital, the second largest in Gaza, has ceased operations because of fuel shortages amid Israeli bombardments. A parliamentary committee led by BJP MP Brijlal has proposed changes to the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, suggesting that individuals detained for economic offences should not be handcuffed and clubbed with those arrested for heinous crimes like rape and murder. The committee said that the use of handcuffs as per Clause 43 Part 3 of the BNSS should be limited to severe offences to prevent escapes and ensure the safety of law enforcement. They recommended not including economic offences in the category, emphasizing the need for a more nuanced approach due to the wide range of offences falling under this term. The committee also recommended changes regarding the issue of police custody of an accused beyond the first 15 days from arrest. Following Diwali, two more Indian cities joined New Delhi to be among the world's worst 10 for pollution on Monday morning. Kolkata and Mumbai joined the list with an AQI of 196 and 163 respectively. Delhi continues to be on the top with an AQI of 420 and Kolkata is at the 4th and Mumbai at the 8th position. An 18-year-old identified as Surya was fatally stabbed by a group of individuals following a dispute triggered after a photo shoot at a dhaba near Doddaballapura. The dhaba had a wall adorned with paintings attracting people for photo shoots. On Deepavali, Surya and three friends were taking pictures when another group asked them to capture their photos too. Initially they refused, but Surya and his friends eventually agreed. Tensions rose as the group insisted on an immediate photo transfer, which wasn't possible since the pictures were taken on a camera. This led to a confrontation. One of the accused, identified as Dilip, pulled out a sharp weapon and stabbed Surya. Despite being rushed to the hospital, Surya succumbed to his injuries. The accused fled on motorcycles and a murder case has been filed. The police said that two individuals have been identified out of 5 and efforts are ongoing to arrest them. In light of Tesla's request for a reduction in import tariffs on electric vehicles to establish a manufacturing plant in India, the government is contemplating a 15% cut in customs duty for electric vehicles across various price ranges. Presently, India imposes substantial customs duty with a 70% tariff for cars valued below $40,000 and a 100% tariff for those priced at that amount or higher. The government has not yet officially confirmed this development. Elon Musk had previously met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New York in June. The International Cricket Council has announced the latest inductees into its Cricket Hall of Fame, which includes the renowned Indian opener Virendra Sehwag, former Indian women's captain Diana Edulji, and Sri Lanka's iconic player Arvinder Silva. Diana Edulji made history by becoming the first Indian woman cricketer to join the ICC Hall of Fame. With these 3 additions, the total number of cricketers in the ICC Hall of Fame now stands at 112. Currently, 8 Indian cricketers are honoured with this prestigious recognition for their exceptional accomplishments. A crew member from the popular Netflix drama Fauda has been killed in action in Gaza amid the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas. The team of Fauda posted a statement on social media announcing the demise of Maiten Meir and expressing their condolences. He was also a Sergeant Major General, reservist in the Israel Defense Forces. Fauda has been criticized by a section of viewers for whitewashing the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. These were the major news of the day. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.